wide enough for us all to get off the road, we'll hire down there.
Alright, there's a big grassy area to the right. We just pull in here.
So now what's everybody do? Lower their air pressure?
Yep.
Hey Bob, you remember your tire gauge?
I can't drop mine below about 20 or
Hey Brian. Yes! These heated seats are real nice. Hello.
Ira's been laying really close, like on top of me, and I'm just now thinking about it. I wonder if he's been wanting to go on a tube trip, because he lays on me like. Right there. Look, that's it. You can sit there, you can lay there.
left turn.
You can go up.
Left turn. Left turn.
Wow. 6 months?
This road we're on now is part of the old stage route to Jordan Valley. Right turn.
Right turn. Yeah, you talking about those black deer? You have a slow elk? Not gonna your house. Got you lumpy enough to live to be there.
It has a very square back.
Have you made it past the fixer upper house? Just past it.
Right turn.
Right turn?
Head forward.
Turn.
Past the schoolhouse yet, Chad?
Yeah. Little red farmhouse now.
Alright.
One black sheep. That doesn't mean that there's 100 white sheep still.
Left turn.
Left turn, Clyde.
Three fingers.
Oh yeah, he's barely poking up there. What's your feet, Ira? To Prospect Leslie Gulch, interesting.
Oh, yeah.
I think I'd like to prospect someday. Because just like mining at something and then pulling away like a big old piece of no help.
Nope.
I can ask him about rocks and roads all day. Yep, it was the year we got insurance.
Yep.
So we got him, he was born in 2012, so we got him in 2014. So the triple is in 2014. In 2012, he is only 9 years old.
That's probably the most iconic rock right there.
Oh yeah. It looks like something out of a Dr. Seuss book.
Right. Yeah, that trip is brand new today.
Fine, sweetie. Well, since, you know, I'm married to the lady that
In the back. Go in the back. With Zeke. Did you forget Zeke was in the car? Is my real question. Are we stopping at the Leslie or the Sucker Creek campground?
No. What freak way did that way? Stopping at the campground Bob's at.
Cool.
Rock formation, which is so cool.
It's like something out of Lord of the Rings.
Yeah, right? Exactly.
Left turn.
left turn. Left turn. Copy left turn. Left turn it is.
We got the whole camper out and a whole lot of people in camping.
Yeah.
We got a dog. 2 dogs.
Morning.
Hungry this morning. I haven't been hungry in like 3 days.
I got the zero on it. Go ahead. You take lead.
I mean, yeah.
Is that Bob or
Yep.
somebody else?
Bob.
All right.
Is this a boat ramp?
Yep.
I don't know who's talking where.
Left turn. Here we go.
Left turn. Left turn. That's right.
Hey, this is usually all underwater.
What is that?
You see that water line that's usually right
Yeah,
up
I see
up
that.
there. Yeah,
It's
that's
fun.
something. So Brian Man, look at your GPS. It looks like we're underwater.
Oh yeah, these are totally amphibious vehicles with really long snorkels. Are you calling me a cow? Damn you.
It'd be fun to kayak that right now.
But it would be moving pretty fast.
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't enough usable video to make it worthwhile. Good job, Leona.
Yeah.
So have you seen it high here?
I've never been in here because every time I've come out here, it's been full of water.
Okay, that's what I was wondering if the water has been that high.
Yeah, I've never.
Because right now we'd be underwater. Right?
This is why George was so excited about this, is because he's constantly watching to see if he can get in here.
Dave?
This is a rock corral off to the left there if you follow everybody else around.
Hey, Dave.
Yeah.
Killer requests Hava turn on her walkie.
Roger that. Hold on.
Just past the little hot springs on the right there.
Yeah, this seems...
Bob's trying to pass you.
I almost think we might have been up on top here.
That's what your map looks like.
Hmm?
That's what your map looks like.
Well, I just kind of drew that together. I had to piece that together because there is no road down here, so it wasn't road. So I just kind of had to, well, and I don't know where the road's at because it doesn't show. I guess it did in some places.
Oh, there's some cows sticking bags?
Yeah. Oh, there it is.
It sneaks up on you too.
Just after you come down that hill, if you look to the left, there's a small, looks like it might have been a homestead or something at one point.
Which rock do I like less?
What's that?
Oh, there was some sharp looking rocks. I was trying to decide which one I liked less.
Getting into some rocky areas, so if anybody needs a spot, let us know.
Probably gonna be the long wheelbase that has issues.
We aren't at the hard part yet.
We're not at the hard part yet?
WD7 vehicle. on the CB.
Yeah, that's because they sound the same and it's going to the same place.
Pulling up where we can get everybody off the main road in case somebody might come through, and we're gonna hike up to the hot springs. Hopefully Bob knows where it's at. Stay out of the controversy, guys.
Yeah, seriously. Not joking, Ira. You stay away from them. They cling to you.
I gotta go back down there.
We're gonna do the echo and try to record it?
Oh yeah, we will.
That's pretty good. That was good. Going all around it.
Yeah.